boys and girls, today we are going to do some long division. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is in our math journal, we are going to put our title, Long Division. Okay? Now we're only going to do a couple problems because the steps are long. Okay, but once you get the process down, it repeats over and over. All right, so our first problem we are going to do is 78 divided by 5. And this is saying how many times can 5 go into 78? Well, your first step in long division is to divide. Okay, so you can get that written. Divide is your first step. 78 divided by 5. I'll give you a little time to get that written down. Now what we're doing is we're saying how many groups of 5 go into 78? Well, when you start in your biggest place value, so this is the tens place. So what is 7 divided by 5? So this is saying how many groups of 5 can I make out of 7? All right, so if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, how many groups of 5 can I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I can only make 1. I can make 1 group of 5, so you put your answer up there. I can make 1 group of 5 out of 7. So your second step is to multiply. You're saying, well, I have a group of 5 and I made 1, so 5 times 1 is 5. Your next step is to subtract because you want to see how much you have left over. So 7 minus 5 is 2. If you looked over here, you could have saw that as our visual as well. 7 minus 5 is 2. Your next step after you subtract is to bring down. Now, what does that mean? It means you're bringing down this other digit. And now it's 28. After you bring it down, you bring it on back and it repeats. So it repeats back up to division. So it's like we started completely over. So now we have 28 divided by 5. How many times can 5 go into 28? You don't want to go over. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, and you have 3. Do we have anything to bring down? No. So this is our remainder. So if you look here, we have 15, remainder 3.
I want to do my food.